Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dignity Health easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Dignity Health's website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button or link. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login option to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that your information is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. This button may also be labeled as Login or Continue. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your information. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password. Make adjustments as necessary and try logging in again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. You are now ready to access your Dignity Health account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.